Did you know you can inspect and debug any website directly on your Android phone? No laptop, no PC, just your phone. Most developers don't even know this is possible on Android. In the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use these developer tools on your Android using this browser, just like you would on a desktop. Let's get into it. Inspecting and debugging a website is very easy. All you have to do is to go to your browser and search for this particular browser, this Mrs. browser. Then you can actually install the application from their main site. This is their main site, so you can download it from here. You can see the word first, fast, secure, and extension supported mobile Web3 browser. Okay, you can see it also supports installing extensions, meaning that you can install extensions that you find on your laptop and on the desktop Chrome. You can install extensions, so you can also install those same extensions on this browser. You can download from there, or you can download it from Play Store directly, or download it from wherever you feel is comfortable for you. So you can download it from there. So once the application is already installed, you open it. Then you can create a new tab. Then search for the website you want to inspect. So I'm searching for this. So you search for. So I find a website which I want to use. Then when you look down, you see 3 dots, which is down below this tab sign that says 1. Yeah, these 3 dots. You click on that. Then when you scroll, you see this option, this developers tools. Then you click on that. So then you wait patiently for it to load. As you can see, you just got access to developers tools on your Android phone. No complex setup, just 2 steps and you're already there. Now, the only difference is that the one on the version on Android is like tiny and small, different compared to the one on laptop, which is somehow bigger and very easier to use. But if you actually want to inspect and debug on your Android phone, so this is what you're going to see, and it does this exact same features on Android as well. The same features you see on the laptop version is the same that you see on the Android version as well. So to use it, you just have to zoom to be able to see it clearly. Then you can see elements just the way it is. You can see the elements and everything. The console that's working as well. You can see the source. This is the source. Just go around. You can go around and play with all these features and explore how it works and everything. Then if you want to highlight like lighting, you click on this sign over here. You click on that sign. Then you go back to the. Now I'm going to be tapping on intelligent. So I'm tapping on intelligent. So if I go back to the developers tools now, it will actually update. As you can see, it has already updated, and you can see that in the screen here, you can see that there's one place which is highlighted with this blue, light blue. So that is the intelligent I was actually typing on. You can see that's the intelligent I was actually typing on. So that's how to highlight also. Then on the other side, you can see the styling and everything. So this is how to have access to developers tools on your Android device. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button to get more useful tutorial like this, ways to install stuff on your Android device. Thanks for watching.